kumbakari hi baro kawai ka Rakhe ka sngiban persya ya ki sangkai klau lani ka Anti Terrorism de ka sarkar jala ka lapulong ya ka ni ka jing Rakhe hapo secretariat ha ka ba menteri rang ba ka jala Dr. Mukul Sangma ula puli ya ka jing bam sama ha khamat ki he officer bagi nong sarkar ki badan ha secretariat umukul ha ba krana ka ni ka jinglang ulong baka di ka jing ka kli jungi iwai pe iwai ban penti kena baka numdon kanu kanu jing penbor ban pendu ya ka song san watla ka taru ulong bagi sangkai klau ki mat mentai ka jing e ka bakra ha ka bai dei bagi patba namar kimdon ka jing shania yaki nalor kani ula kan turu yaki kimi ki pa ban sneng yala ki jongki khun bakin numngop ha ki jing sha pensoy bakin le rung baki sangking atiar henry bakin kerna kani ki jing thumu ka basniu kani ki jing Rakhe ya ka Anti Terrorism Day ka dei ru ka lingkhu singyap jung Rajiv Gandhi ubade Prime Minister Barem Jokari ubalayap ha kakti ki kai klau.
Terrorism has inflicted lots of sufferings, dislocated families, and the kind of displacement of people across the nation because of acts of terrorism. That is what we see. And therefore, no society, no nation can actually insulate itself from the acts of terrorism and its evil fallout. Therefore, it is incumbent upon each nation, each state, and each one of responsible citizens to come together and ensure that the forces of evil, who are the perpetrators of crime, who are the agents of acts of terrorism, are by every means their evil designs are thwarted and they are not made able in carrying for their evil agendas. And as you see, the usual phenomenon is that the brain behind all these acts of terrorism are usually seasoned and intelligent minds. And they target the young ones. That is the modus operandi what we have been seeing, who can be brainwashed easily and lured easily. Therefore, it is important for every parent to ensure that the evil designs of these forces cannot actually end up in being able to lure our young ones and using them as the pawns for carrying for their evil agendas.